Cultivating Success, a guide to storing vegetable seeds. Welcome back. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic that every gardener needs to know: maximizing seed viability. Ever wondered how long your vegetable seeds can last? Well, you're in for a treat, so stay tuned. Before we dive in, don't forget to show some love by hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell. We've got a garden full of wisdom coming your way. Now, let's talk about seed storage, the key. Give your seeds the VIP treatment. First things first, store your seeds in a cool, dry place. Moisture is the enemy, fam. Consider using airtight containers to protect your seeds from humidity and temperature swings. Now, let's break down some common vegetables and how long they can stick around. List of vegetable seeds with shelf life. 1. Tomato seed shelf life is 4 to 6 years. Pepper seed shelf life is 2 to 5 years. Cucumber seed shelf life is 5 to 7 years. Carrot seed shelf life is 3 years. Lettuce seed shelf life is 5 to 8 years. Beans seed shelf life is 3 to 4 years. Radish seed shelf life is 4 to 5 years. Spinach seed shelf life is 3 to 5 years. Broccoli seed shelf life is 3 to 5 years. Zucchini seed shelf life is 4 to 6 years. Always check those seed packets for expiration dates or germination info. It's like giving your seeds a roadmap to success. That's a wrap. The foundation of a thriving garden often starts with the seeds. If you found this info helpful, show some love with a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what veggies you're excited to grow. Until next time, happy gardening. Don't forget to subscribe. And check out our previous videos for more gardening magic. Keep shining, everyone!